Hi, my name is Jo and I am the Global Product Manager for Professional Battery Care for OSRAM. I would like to talk to you today about our amazing range of professional battery care products, developed by professionals, made for professionals. These products are designed to help you maintain, diagnose and revive any battery, no matter the type, size or condition. They are ideal for the garage environment as they have everything a mechanic or technician requires for keeping the electrical system healthy. They are also lightweight and portable, which means they are ideal for both the garage environment and for use in recovery or mobile trucks. They have been through rigorous testing to ensure the highest quality and performance. And they are competitively priced to suit all trade needs. Let me show you some of our best-selling products and how they can benefit you and your business. First, we have the BATTERYcare PRO range, which includes the BATTERYcare PRO 3024 and 124. These are slim benchtop chargers that are suitable for both 12 and 24 volt vehicles. They can charge traditional lead-acid batteries, including start-stop, offering multi-stage charging to refresh even the most deeply discharged of batteries. Plus, both are ready to charge lithium batteries, which are becoming more common in the vehicles of tomorrow, and have an integrated cooling fan that keeps working as long as the job takes. The 3024 has a max output of 30 amps for both charging and battery support for diagnostics. It has adjustable charging outputs of 5, 10, 20 and 30 amps, providing flexible, slow or fast charging to meet the individual requirements of each user. An integrated test function additionally enables the diagnosis of the battery and the alternator. The support function at 30 amps can be adjusted from 12 to 14.8 volts and from 24 to 28.8 volts. With the 124, you can charge and diagnose any battery with a powerful output of up to 100 amps. You can also customize the charging output from 5 to 100 amps depending on your needs. The voltage of the support function at 100 amps can be modified from 12 to 14.8 volts or from 24 to 28.8 volts according to the battery type. And the device can revive even the most drained sulfated batteries with its built-in recovery function. It also has a user-friendly graphical screen that shows all the important information and settings. With its lightweight, this professional charger is easy to carry and transport around the workshop. Next, we have the BATTERYtest PRO 600, which is a multifunction automotive tester designed specifically to find electrical automotive faults on 6, 12 and 24 volt vehicles. It uses 3-meter test cables that allow the technician to carry out the tests from anywhere in or around the vehicle. This is a 3-in-1 device. It is a battery analyzer, a fuse tester and a multimeter. As a battery analyzer, it can test both the starter motor and the alternator, giving you accurate and reliable readings of the battery condition and performance. As a fuse tester, it can test fuses directly from the fuse box without removing them, saving you time and hassle, and it uses the OSRAM branded adjustable fuse probes that fit any type and size. As a multimeter, it can assess circuit voltages, test continuity, test LED lights and diodes and measure frequency. It can help you quickly find breaks in cables and faulty connections, faulty sensors and much more. It also has a QR code on the rear of the device that links to full product instructions in case you need any guidance or support. Finally, we have the BATTERYcare PRO 1000, which is a professional jump starter that is ideal for all petrol vehicles and diesel vehicles up to 10 litres. It has 1500 peak amps and 1000 starting amps that can start the most sluggish of batteries. It also has a built-in LED work light that allows you to use it in darker conditions. It weighs only 2 kilos, which is 75% lighter than equivalent lead-acid jump starters, making it ideal to be used in any situation, be that in a garage environment or out on the road. It has a lithium-ion battery that allows for fast recharging via the PD 60-watt input. It also has a battery charge level indicator that shows you the unit's charge status. And it has a power bank function that can charge USB and 12-volt devices. It also has multiple safety protections, including reverse polarity detection to prevent damage to the vehicle and the user. For all products, OSRAM is providing a 2-year guarantee. As you can see, with the OSRAM range of professional battery care products, you get high quality and reliable products, and they can help you boost your business and customer satisfaction. If you are interested in trying them out, please feel free to contact our customer service. OSRAM BATTERYcare PRO, made by professionals for professionals.